Connect the black plug to the MDB box cable. Connect the colored cable plug to the bill acceptor. Connect the USB plug to computer. Check if there is any new port in the device manager. Double-click the red button to check the bill acceptor work mode. LED flashes sometimes in bill receiving mode. Press and hold the red button until the LED lights up to change mode. Double-click the red button to check the bill acceptor work mode again. LED flashes once for debug mode. Then the new port will be refreshed in the port project. Then update the driver. Choose 32-bit or 64-bit according to your computer system. Then install the software of ITL bill acceptor. The port must be selected with BV at the end. After the download is complete, it will automatically switch to the bill receiving mode.